Hey Diva Dolls, what's up? This is your girl Crystal Chanel, and I am in my natural steez today, honey. Like, get into it. I actually am deciding to share with you guys what I do on most Sundays as far as my maintenance and getting ready for the week. So I'm going to be sharing with you how to do your eyebrows and your lashes as far as DIY at home. And if you want to see how it is that I get my slay, stay tuned. So yes, we're just going to jump right in it. Today, I did partner with Dossier, and it is one of my favorite brands to work with, essentially because I love to smell good, look good, dress good, all of that. And I spend a fortune when it comes to fragrances, but with Dossier, you don't have to do that. So I'm going to be sharing my next two favorite fragrances. These are ones that I have been thinking about purchasing from the actual bottles, but I decided to smell and test and see how it goes with my body chemistry before pulling that trigger. This is the first kind of video that I'm doing on my channel. This is kind of given like a Sunday reset. I am going to share with you guys how I basically just do a little bit of my body care routine. I don't know if you're into seeing the whole thing. That's why I didn't film the whole thing. If you are interested, I will make a video for that, explaining products and everything. I make my own shea butters. I actually made a video sharing with you guys how you can make your own shea butter. And the reason why I make my own is because I like to use ample amounts. I'm gonna put my shea butter all over myself. I always use a perfume and I spray while I have this oil on so that it sets longer. Dossier is a company which basically specializes in high-end fragrances at a really low cost because they're not slapping a name brand on there. Some of the fragrances I'm talking about today, they're upward $300, $400, even up to like $900 a bottle, y'all. So I honestly tried this company over a year ago. Their scents are so close to the original. It's a great way for me to figure out if I like the item or not. So today I'm wearing Woody Rum. Now, Woody Rum, y'all, this is a real like musky kind of smell. It's by Kilian. This one's called Straight to Heaven. This is giving you notes of rum, nutmeg, patchouli, amber, sandalwood, some jasmine, some cedarwood, and vanilla. So it's really woodsy, hence the name. So yeah, I just went ahead and put it on myself with the oil. I'm gonna let it sit for a second. I really prefer to put my fragrances on with my shea butter because I find that it lasts longer. There is another perfume I want to share with you guys. This is called Fruity OAKMOSS, and it has scents of fruity, like it has apple, bergamot, lemon, peach, and it also has that musky smell, so I think it's going to be a good compliment. Now this one is inspired by Creed Aventus. The Creed line is really powerful. This smells amazing. So if you're more of like a masculine / unisex smell, I would go with the Woodsy Rum if you're looking for something in that woodsy family. If you're looking for something in the woodsy family, but more feminine, really flirty, sophisticated, powerful, I would definitely say go with this. I'm saving this for a date night. This is giving that sexy vibe and it's giving that boss vibe. Okay, so I let that sit on my skin a little while. I'm going ahead and rubbing it all in. I like to make sure I get it up on my ear so that when my sweetie hugs me or kisses me, she can get that smell. If again, you aren't sure what smell you like, don't worry. They do have a quiz on their website you guys can check out, answer those questions, see what's out there. If you don't like anything, don't worry, you have a return exchange period, so it's pretty much a worry-free guarantee. As smelling feminine and powerful and woodsy, these are the ones that I would recommend. Again, Aventus, Creed, Her. You also have the Straight to Heaven by the Kilian powerhouse. Okay, y'all, so we are completely moisturized. We are smelling real good thanks to Dossier. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just jump into doing my eyebrows and my lashes. Don't come for me, y'all. I've been doing this. I'm not saying you should do this too, but this is just for men for the beard. And I'm gonna go ahead and mix a small bit. All you gotta do is put equal amounts of each tube. So I'm gonna squeeze some on there. This is how we are looking. And now we're going to mix it all up together. I'm kind of gonna have it look like that. It's kind of hard to see where you're putting the product. I like to start on the tail end of my eyebrows. And then as it gets darker, because you'll see the dye start to change to a darker shade, it's easier to kind of work with. It's pretty easy, like literally, that's all there is to it. Okay, and like I mentioned, it starts to get darker. You can kind of see it a little better. I don't like how the tail is starting to look on this side, so I'm gonna use some Q-tip. I'm gonna wipe off the part that I don't like, which is the bottom. See? You're not feeling anything. This is the time to get rid of it. I like to brush it in the top so it's not a straight line. That's just gonna have to take practice, y'all. If you mess up, you can always fix it when you do your makeup, like with the concealer or foundation too. Okay, so now we're gonna wait a little longer and then we'll wipe it off. So I'm gonna use just like a napkin, paper towel, whatever, and just wipe it gently. And I did damp the paper towel. Just wipe it gently. And just to make sure I have everything off, I use my facial cleanser, just a small amount. Then I get a wash rag and I pat it off. Boom, you done. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my skincare, which today, because I'm in the house, is fairly light. So putting the toner on. I usually put on a moisturizer with sunscreen, but I really plan on being in the house. So I'm gonna just put a tad bit of this on. Okay, and next are the eyelashes. I'm gonna show you guys what I do for that next. Okay, these are the tools you're gonna need. Just some tweezers. You're gonna have your eyelash curler. We got a brush here, and of course your lashes and your adhesive. So these are the lashes I'm using. I got them from Amazon. They are double D curl, so they're really curly. There's different options that it comes with. These are the pair that I'm going to use. Now I like to put it against my eyes so that I can kind of see if I need to cut off the edges or anything like that. And these ones are a bit long. So now I usually look at the lashes and cut every 2 to 3 pairs, as far as, I cut about 3 to 4 times. Now I'm prepping my lashes by brushing them, and then I use the adhesive. This is a forgiving adhesive, meaning it's not going to last that long, maybe up to 2 weeks, just depends on how you sleep. But once you put the adhesive on your natural lashes, kind of like mascara, you go ahead and attach the false lashes by pressing it up against the stickiness. So I'm going to just do that along my eyelashes. I usually get about 3 to 4 sections of lashes on here. So it's something that's fairly simple to do. It really is just going to take a couple of times for you to master it. And as you can see here, I had a bigger section of lash, which I should have really cut the end. You really shouldn't have lashes to the end of your eyeball. I would recommend to kind of leave a little bit of a space. It just helps it look a little bit more natural. Now, a lot of these kits will come with tweezers that you can squeeze so that you can push like your lashes together. In this case, I just use the tweezers to kind of sandwich my natural lashes with the false lashes. And you can see it's pretty sticky. So this is the last step. Because these double D lashes are so curly, I try to bend them straight a little bit with the curler. Now I'm going back and cleaning up some of the residue that I got. It was a little messy because I was trying to record. So yeah, you guys, if you mess anything up, just know that you can fix it with makeup remover. And yeah, I do love them and I do this all the time. Okay, dolls, so that is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This is a different kind of video for my channel, but I will definitely give you guys a full skincare video, a whole pamper video, like bath time, whatever you guys want. Let me know with a comment down below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. And of course, I'm going to put the link to my outfit. I'll put the link to my Amazon store for perfumes that I talked about today and a discount code. So that you're following me on Instagram and on TikTok. My name is at @ChrissyTheDoll_official and at ChrissyTheDoll. I really love making these videos for you dolls. Please make sure you are subscribed to this channel. I have so much more coming, and that's really it. I want to say thank you so much for all your love and support. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.